Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Emporia tablet so that you can make video calls. You can actually do that with this one, use WhatsApp or whatever else. To insert a SIM card, we need to open the SIM card slot, and for that you need your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, and then this pops out. And then we have our tray here, and we have a space for an SD card, and here the SIM card goes in. And then we put the whole thing back in. And now we need to enter our SIM pin. Screen is locked, so we need to unlock our screen again. And now we're back in the tablet and can make video calls, use WhatsApp or whatever else. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.